This video will demonstrate the upload of a monitoring plan through an XML file. Building and managing the XML file is a task to be carried out by personnel duly knowledgeable on the subject. All the necessary information to produce the XML files can be found in a link available in the FAQ or the support page. Please be aware that thetis-mrv help desk will not support users on the creation of this file. In this demonstration, I will upload one monitoring plan for one single ship. However, the XML file can hold up to 25 monitoring plans for 25 different ships. This constraint has been imposed to guarantee adequate processing performance. Companies with fleets over this size should produce more than one XML files as necessary. We will use the ship November as an example. Remember that in a previous video we have created a monitoring plan for the ship by cloning. Once we upload a file, we will override all the content of that previous plan. Let's have a look at the XML file. A list of codes for each relevant field, as well as samples of files, are available in the bundle of files you can download from the FAQ or the support page. Coming back to the system, the upload will be done through the button Upload Data in Bulk, located underneath the main list in the My Fleet page. We select Monitoring Plan and we browse for the XML file. Now we click to validate the file and the system checks if the file is in conformity. Note that this is a technical validation to confirm that mandatory fields are included and in the correct format. The system does not do any assessment of the content. Once done, a summary of the outcome is presented in a pop-up window. In this case, we note there is one error. Therefore, the Submit File button is disabled. We click to open the log file, and we can see that the error is the missing flag information. So let's add the flag in the XML file. Note that I am typing a code. I recall that all necessary codes are available in the bundle of files you can download from the FAQ or the support page. We save the XML file, and we go back to the system. We close the log file and the validation windows to repeat the process. This time the validation summary presents no errors, and the Submit File button becomes enabled. We click Submit File. System presents a summary confirming the successful upload of one monitoring plan. We can see the log file containing no errors or warnings. Let's now edit the monitoring plan. In this particular example, we note a warning and an error message that would require our intervention. The warning indicates that the ship owner in the XML file is not the same as the one in the system. The error message indicates that there's a discrepancy between the type of fuels reported in the emission sources and the fuel types. 7. Although the previous monitoring plan has been overwritten, if we go to the Monitoring Plan Revision tab, we can still consult the previous version which was generated by cloning. Remember that at any moment you can generate a new version of the plan, regardless of its status. Let's create a version. It's also very important to know that the action of submitting a plan to a verifier cannot be done automatically when uploading monitoring plans through an XML file. Companies still have to go to each plan and submit them individually to the verifier. In this example, of course, the messages in the message board should be addressed before submitting the plan to the verifier. Amending content of the monitoring plan has been covered in previous tutorial videos.